Harvinder, how are you?
नहीं
How
नहीं
are
ठीक
you,
है.
Harvinder? Mahajan sir, welcome.
Namaskar to all the participants, to you.
Thank you, sir.
We are in time or no? We are just about few minutes more to go. I think so.
You are on time, sir.
Oh, good.
So let's begin. Who would like to share how is the things going for you? Yes, go ahead, please.
Ah,
Please go ahead with your sharing.
oh, myself.
Yes, sir.
Well, uh, firstly, I have to make my own goal. I am a bit busy with making my own goal of our life, whatever goal is. Now, two goals. One is to kids, how to take care of them. They are kids of my maid, live-in maid, our live-in maid. She is with us for last 15 years. These kids were born here. Then second is how to transfer my assets to my children. They're all spread all over. Anyway, these are some very personal problems I've got.
Very good. Thank you for sharing, sir. Let me give you a little bit of hint. When you are educating the children of your maid, if you can create a context that while I am educating these two children, the whole universe, whole planet, the children of the poor and underprivileged are simultaneously taken care of by the people. This is called ontology. That means we all are one, and our small action is creating big ripple around. So though it looks like that you are taking care of just two children, actually all the children of the planet can be taken care of if you create that context, or at least it will make a huge difference because
Let me
context
let,
is decisive. Yes, sir.
let me give some more details.
Yes, sir.
That means past maybe 20 years.
Yes, sir.
Read Swami Vivekananda and he said, Vidya Dan is Mahadan. So I was in touch with Vivekananda Kendra, Kanyakumari in Delhi branch, and through them I visited Arunachal Pradesh and saw a few schools. So I am giving a donation there every year, some donation for girls students of those schools. Girls, particularly girl students. Then about 20 years back, I donated some money for starting a school in a backward area away from Pathankot. Then the school is now good. There are about 300 students. And now I propose to give a reasonable sum for upgrading that school. So there also I give annually some donation, but I don't want to take care of the school on my own. I feel some sanstha has to take. I am temporary man in this world, so some sanstha which can take care of those schools, and they are doing good job. I have seen that the headmaster, the headmistress, the principal, and the organization is taking a good job of that. So I'm happy with that. So my goal is very much to create a fund which can annually contribute towards in this activity of educating uh, poor children of the backward areas. These two children, because their mother is illiterate and, and she's very intelligent, and these children also is good. They are intelligent. They understand things well. So I thought if they are sitting with me from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m., they are here with me every day, Sunday included, 7 days a week. So it gives him pleasure, say company and pleasure.
Very good, sir. Thanks for sharing. And in between also the sessions, you can share over WhatsApp, even personally to me or in group. Keep on sharing and put a timeline to it and you will accomplish. Thanks a lot. Yes, Goel, sir, you want to say something? Are you able to hear? If not, please write. If you want to write something. Okay, the recording is happening. So if someone is not able to hear, please write it down here and at least listen to it. So you have already got the video of the session 4. Now you will get the questions also. And let me share with the 5 questions that you are going to get with this. The first question is 10 points that you can learn from this book. So most of you may be having this book. If you don't have the book, you can take it from Amazon or you can write me, I will send you. You can give me address and I will send you. So the 10 points that you can learn from this book. This book is very unique. It's very contemporary and every questions and every chapter will take you towards your goal. Similarly, second question you will get 3 actions that you are going to take in the area of social service or mission developed India. Now in the area of social service, for example, Mahajan sir has shared that he is taking care of children. He is also contributing fund to Swami Vivekananda Ashram and other ashrams for the girl child education. So these are the social service and nation building work he is doing. Similarly, most of you are doing it consciously or unconsciously, or you might be planning to do it. Start doing it from today and have a timeline for everything. For example, Mahajan sir has shared that I want to create a fund for them so that annually they get it something. Create a timeline that by the end of the program, say for example 10th of October or something, this structure will be created. Then there is third question, which will be talking about 7 promises of the developed mentality campaign, Viksit Mansikta Abhiyan. Now this is so important that if the mentality is not developed, then whatever we do, it will have very limited impact. So what are the things? Most of the time I was talking to a professor of an engineering college from humanities branch, and she was sharing that how the priority to improve the quality of education is not there in conversations. So, you know, it is mainly because that developed mentality is not there. So how to do that? So in this book, you will find there is a 7 promises of developed mentality. Now, these 7 promises, you can get it printed, share with everybody, because this in itself is a very comprehensive, and this will create employment for them, for success in their business, for quality of life in their life itself. So that is the question. So these 7 promises should be by heart to us. For example, I will not hold grudges or complaints against anyone. So, you know, if anyone, we have complaints, keep on giving up. I will not lie. Truth is the ultimate aim. And every day, if we celebrate that, then only we will achieve. We will respect women and be sensitive towards fellow citizens. I will work at least 8 hours or till the goal is achieved. And I will always respect my word. I will be thankful and appreciative towards myself and others. Always be appreciative, pat yourself, no matter what. Exercise, pray and meditate. And Yogananda ji's laws of success, like concentration, ekagrata mein Bhagavan hai. This is by Brahma Kumari also. Willpower, divine will. In the good things, I will apply my willpower. And magnetism, I will attract positive things, good things in my life. I will keep on thinking good and bright future for myself. Then fourth question will be, prepare the list of 30 team members. Whatever mission we are, if we prepare these 30 people who will be support to that mission, maybe knowingly or unknowingly, their mission is also same. But we are working in silos. We work individually, and therefore great results are not achieved. Join hands with them so that our power and impact will be much more. Prepare that list. Then name of 12 leaders. Few people who are your subordinate or who are willing to listen to you are your team members. Few people who are not your subordinate, who may be your guru, your teacher, your boss, or independent person, whom you can inspire and influence. You cannot command, but they are there to support you if you have a good intention. Those are your leaders. So 12 leaders. So list down these 30 people, team members and 12 leaders. Then you will be asked a question on core competency. Like, what are your core competency? What is that you are best at? Most of the time we don't apply what is we are best at. For example, myself, public speaking, I am good at, but am I applying that? Why not? Now this online thing is going on. I have set a timeline that is it possible to address 1,000 people online? Mr. Modi has already achieved that. He is addressing that. He has created that structure. Why can't I? So this is one game that I am taking on for myself because it is connected to my core competency. Similarly, whatever is your core competency, are you playing big? Are you really giving your 100% to that? Similarly, professional level, what is your unique selling point? Business level, what is your unique selling point? I was just writing and I could see that if in every organization there is human productivity cell, human resource cell is there, but productivity is not focused. I was just talking to one of my friends. I asked him that for how many officers you are responsible to increase their performance. I have not got the reply. Maybe it is the first time that somebody has asked this question. So my friend will certainly respond, and that, he was planning to buy books for his organization. And the moment this question comes, it is, oh my God, if I'm responsible for 1,000 people, why I have not taken action when I know that this training or this book will help? Then, so these are some of the questions that you will be finding while going through this video, and the question that our team member, Mr. Arun, will send you. Also, we are planning that when your course will be completing, start writing. There are a lot of clarity coming in you as it is coming in me. There is a lot of fast movement happening on every front, because just because you are coming at this place sharp at 5 o'clock, that clearly shows that how you are getting aligned, how your faculties, mind, body, soul are aligned and focused towards making impossible possible. And whatever is your intention, whatever is your context, that starts happening. So therefore in your life, there is a lot of things that will start happening. You have to push forward. You have to move forward to make it happen and make it faster. So start writing. What are the things you have already started accomplishing? आप कौन-कौन से चीज already achieve करना शुरू हो गए हैं? And also on 10th of October, when your program will be completing, after the 8th session finishes on, I think 7th, then on 10th you have the final day. On that you can invite many people, and we will see to it that this communication, like I am finding that the hearing, some people are finding difficulty in hearing. We will sort it out. We will improve. We will make it happen. We will sort it out. One of the intention of this program of coming here face to face was that to actually evolve the system so that we can address many people. So whatever is the hitches going through, we are taking it head on, and we will make sure that before the completion of the program, we are perfectly in the situation where everybody is able to listen. So these are some of the things that I wanted to share with you. You can ask question, whoever is able to hear and speak. Yes, Goel sir, are you able to listen? If yes, please speak or write. There is a chat box. You can write there if you are unable to speak. Yes, Goel sir. This is your time. Whoever wants to speak, please go ahead. Yes, Mahajan sir, your voice is audible. Go ahead.
Well, I don't know how much that will be connected with your line of thinking at this moment. When I stand at a road crossing, major traffic crossing, close to our house, is any crossing you see, and you find that persons are just moving about without bothering about the traffic light.
Okay.
कहाँ है वीडियो कैसे स्टार्ट करें मैं वीडियो हाँ they people just are so in general Indian masses. I mean I am using the word Indian though it is not correct. They just don't bother. They are moving. There is a red light clear. They can't wait for a few minutes or few even for some time. They move on. Now that is our attitude. Now the corona is there, but people are walking around with a mask. I've got a mask here, but their nose and mouth is not covered. No, I don't know how to take care of all these general. I think our politicians have made a mess with the whole thing. I read long ago somewhere that our culture was so good, but this Western culture and today's money matters has made things bad. And we have lost it and I feel it requires a lot of effort to bring it up. I don't know how.
Okay, sir. Thanks for asking the question. There is a chapter in the book called Going Beyond Complaint. In this book, Going Beyond Complaints, chapter number 14. In that, please write down all the complaints that you have with yourself, with others, and others are having with others, and give it up. Keep on giving up. So, whenever you see something which is not going as per your thinking, we think that something is wrong there. Now, that is the Maya. We say Maya. So, it is which stops us from being, being one with God. See, God is also watching that, but God doesn't get disturbed. We get disturbed. That means we have to evolve ourselves. When we see that something is not as per my thinking, we need to first say that there is nothing wrong there. There is nothing wrong here. In whole life, we have lived our life either finding wrong with us or finding wrong with others. There is nothing wrong there, nothing wrong here. And then we say, okay, this is how the life is. I think this will be better if this will be like this. And what I can do there, the moment we take the responsibility, like this is opportunity for me, God is giving me, oh, here is a game, fix it. Here is a game, play. Here is a contribution, make it. Either ourselves or through somebody. Suppose I don't have resources in that area, I will inspire somebody. I will write a letter to somebody who can do something about it. So instead of bothering myself and allowing my resources, my brain energy, my mental energy to get sapped, we are taking action about it. Even a small action, even a small request. I have shared in one of the video that once I went to the judge, the senior judge of session court, and told him that your machine is not working. He said, Mr. Naveen, don't worry. Now onwards, you will never find this problem. Just this 1 second of yours is a huge contribution. What did I do? Nothing. Just I informed him, sir, this is not working as a dangerous. So, like even a small thing can make a huge difference. So that's the huge way of living a life. Thanks for raising that point. Any other point, sir? So my advice is, please go through the questions that you get. Write down the answer. In between also, when the session, next session will be on Saturday. So you have Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do the question answer, take the action, ask in between. And as I told you, share with other people and invite people for 10th October. 10th October, our concluding day, there will be, even guests are allowed, where we will invite everybody who can come. So, and we will fix this situation where, some people are not able to hear and speak. And it's a surprise that how Mahajasari and I am able to talk, other people are not able to talk. So this is again a mystery. Yes, sir. Anything else?
So if nobody else is talking, can I bring back?
Yes, sir. Go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. Now when my objective, that education of the children, it was very right for last 25 years or so when I was reading about Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda. But I didn't want to involve myself personally. I wanted to contribute whatever little financials I could do, because I wanted my time to be spared for whatever I may like to do. My brother has got a good school in Amritsar. He set up himself, started and come up nicely. And he told me, Jagdish, why don't you start your own school? Why you want to go through this sanstha? They eat away money halfway and all that. And I told them, well, nothing is 100% efficient. But still, I prefer that I give money and I keep myself free for something else.
Very good.
So that's how I have been going on, contributing towards this Arunachal Pradesh schools. And in this school, I wish to contribute. Okay. And then what I say, how to organize this, this is where I am drafting a will for myself, that who will be in charge of this, my assets, so that my desire to contribute to these things continues permanently as a permanent feature. Now, who among my children will be able to do that job? Now, this is what in my mind the pressure remains. Who among my children? And these days, as I said, the children are spread all over the world. Who will be able to handle this? I don't know. I have to analyze that and all that. So, and a time frame for that is nil. Because we have to be written yesterday. Had to be written yesterday, probably.
Yeah. Do it today. Write down. Write down whatever is in your head.
I will and then redraft like that.
Perfect. And then send me one email if you wish, and then you can talk to me, and then just formalize it. It's a one day. If you have made it, one day have a conversation of 15-20 minutes, and then go ahead. At least it is ready for, because one of the distinction of transformation is life is right now. If you are thinking I will do tomorrow, you are not living a life of transformation. Means tonight is the last night. We have to play like that.
Yeah, I know, I understand that. But then time goes on. Somehow my day is pretty busy. I get up at 5:30 in the morning, and up to 10 o'clock, I am busy maintaining myself. A cup of tea, then morning walk, then yoga exercises, then bath, then breakfast, and this. That takes me up to 10 o'clock. 10 to 12 I have some work, maybe some outside, some shopping, etc. And some other work. Then 1:30 to 4 o'clock I am again sleeping. So not much. Again, some of my time is well set for last 25-30 years.
That is all right. Nothing wrong there, except that have a certain, like these two goals you have written for the children, for the your asset allocation. Now these two you have kept the priority. Now make it like whatever is my day's time, these two will be solved, or plan will be ready tomorrow. Your plan is ready tomorrow or tonight. A draft is ready, and then finalize, improve upon it.
My head. It is ready in my head.
Write down.
Put on paper.
Yeah, put on paper. Yeah. So friends, thank you so much. Thank you for asking question and taking advantage of maybe the God wanted that way. I think I'm not hearing from others. So it's now 5:30. So thank you so much, friends. We will be sending the recorded message to all. Thank you so much for being there, and everybody was on time. So great. Congratulations and thank you to all. Write down the question, answer, take the action, and then share with it. Share with everybody. Thank you. All the best. May God bless you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.